All right, remember hit that subscribe button. This is a 2012 F150 four-wheel drive with 5.0. That is the oil pressure sensor. As you can see there, it's a little bright in there, but that's the new sensor that we installed. So if we come out, you can see here, you take your breather box with the coolant reservoir and you push it over out of the way. You'll have a 13 millimeter bolt here and one here. Take those two 13s out and you'll have that 13 nut. Now that 13 nut doesn't go on the box. It is for the power cable on the alternator. So if you take that 13 nut off the alternator, you can move your power cable down so you can gain access to the oil pressure switch a lot better. You will have to take your overfill hose from here and pop it off. That'll allow you to flip this box over with the coolant reservoir still attached. Do not take this hose off. Just be careful because you don't want to break that. Full breather tube assembly is out to gain you access. That way you do not have to replace or remove your alternator. Now over here is the old sensor. This one actually had a broke pigtail. So we're replacing the sensor or sending unit and the pigtail. This is the part number for the oil pressure sensor. This is the one for the pigtail. And due to it being around the exhaust, I would highly recommend just getting the pigtail just in case. That way you don't have to sit around, wait on parts. This is a 21 millimeter deep well. It's a 3/8 drive. Getting a flex head ratchet will help too, so you can get in there and get the sensor out.